In this video, we will go over the steps on how to use the Arkscan MDL18 laptop clamp mount. Let's identify the parts that come with the product. Laptop tray with safety straps, mounting arm with clamp. To get started, loosen the clamp mount, and then tighten the mount onto your table. Make sure the knob is securely fastened. Loosen the adjustment screws and move the arms into position. And then you can tighten the arm in any position that is needed. If the adjustment screw is hitting what you've clamped the mount to and is unable to rotate and tighten or loosen, you can pull outward to disengage the screw and allow for free rotation. You can then let go and it will re-engage the screw. Now, with the adjustment screws tight, screw the laptop tray onto the mount arm. Make sure all the adjustment screws are secure and tight before placing the laptop on the tray. Finally, tighten the safety straps around the base of the laptop to keep it securely in place.